So this is our intake. It's pretty simple. Runs at 600 RPM, so we can suck the discs up and throw them up there. And we have this all connected with the roller. We've got, I don't even know what people call these, stack pegs, I guess. But it allows and it's autonomous. When you go, the pegs kind of push these away into a line, kind of, and then can intake one disc at a time. And then everything is on a variable height kind of hinge thing. Make sure you have supports across so it doesn't like do weird bending stuff. Yeah, it just kind of sucks up. We've got a little paddle here because I'm lazy and I don't want to do like spacing and stuff, so it just kind of helps push it up. Under 600 RPM, it goes pretty fast and smooth. Yeah, simple chain tensioner there, and then a weird chain tensioner here. I mean, it works, so yeah, that's that.